So this is the inspection regime for the horizontal temporary lifeline. First thing we do is you always check the information tag, the same as all the other items. Make sure you can read the information. We're looking for manufacturer name, manufacturer date and a serial number. Once you're happy with that piece, start at the end. This is the attachment loop. Very important piece. The carabiner goes through there and it attaches to the solid point to stop any movement in the product. So again, it's the same inspection as we've done previously. It's all using bare hands and we're rubbing our fingers around all the stitches to make sure the product is in good order. Once you finish with this piece, check your stitching blocks all the way along here, turning it over as you go, looking for any sort of damage or any wear and tear which could, cause the product not to work properly. When you get to the metal components, everywhere you've got a metal component which meets a piece of webbing, you've got to ensure that there's no sharp edges. So it's all about just running your fingers around everything to make sure there's nothing there which could damage any webbing product. When you get to the ratchet, we need to make sure that all the bolts are in properly, there's no loose pieces and there's no rust on the component at all. What you should be seeing is it should just move nice and freely. You shouldn't have to force anything at all. So just have a good look around the ratchet, turn over, make sure that both sides look the same. Once you're happy with this, make sure the locking mechanism works properly. So to lock the ratchet, this hook has to go next to this piece just here. Lock it into place, and then you should find that it's a nice solid position like that. Once you're happy with that piece, to inspect the webbing, all we do, we start at one end and then we run our fingers all the way through the webbing like this, all the way from one end to the other. The inspection is the same all the way down, turning it over and checking the other side for any contamination, any damage, rips, cuts and tears. That's the inspection complete.